Congress MDC from Resubelpara, Reynaldo K. Sangma, has written to the Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Conrad Sangma, highlighting the extremely poor condition of roads in and around the area, as well as the continued neglect of the PWD in ensuring yearly repairs. In his complaint filed on the 20th of September, Sangma said that people of his constituency are facing daily hardships due to roads becoming extremely difficult to traverse even in their best condition. He stated that people of Resubelpara and Mendipathar are living with the most deplorable road conditions, with massive potholes being present almost every 2 meters of these roads. These roads have not seen repairs since the past 2 to 3 years, and hence the situation, he informed. The MDC blamed the contractors of the Damra Bajengdoba Road, Badri Rai and Company, for continually keeping the construction of the road at abeyance, which he said has resulted in the general public having to bear the brunt of their negligence. He added that there have been many cases of roads and timber bridges in and around Resubelpara breaking down and in need of repairs. Further, minor accidents have been taking place only due to the poor nature of the road itself. Reynaldo Sangma informed that time and time again countless pleas have been made to convert the timber structures into RCC ones, but this has fallen on deaf ears. Sangma also felt that it is as if the PWD department waits for a mishap or a fatal accident before any action or repair work is undertaken. Considering the condition of the present roads, it is sad to say that Resubelpara, despite being the headquarters, has the worst roads in Garo Hills. Urging the Chief Minister on the issue, the MDC sought for him to take cognizance and immediately order the start of the construction by the Badri Rai and Company, as well as the department to take road repairs seriously for the sake of the people of the area.
Lekasian baksa pendake anchini adok ni chief minister na molmolat na spainga ton swing pa ramarang ya ramarang ko gal chpa aro jaskariani earthwork mamko khaimang taspe dona kata dakinga aro ya anchini Resubelpara aro Mendipathar bulbelau donging pa songrang rama jatlang rang obostha dongjing jok repair rang ka kuja routing jok belsi getam ong jok oni man anchini adok ni chief minister ko molmolat na ndaki molmolat na spainga didiat na spainga ya rama jatlang rang ko tarak khale repair aro ya damraoni berubariona thari paing pa Badri Rai company ko tarak khale thari on phachi nakta didiat painga